Ebushafo Mamunina Akwaba Ghana Sem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bushafo and then same way. Everything is coming to light. And you see, even those journalists that supported NDC coming back to power, no, most of them are giving up. Let's listen to Eii Kwabna Asante.
I don't see a news file. There's something like the kind of that repressiveness now under this administration, something different altogether. We should be worried. We should be worried. So, hope so, Kasama, and I do show I bet you should be going to Fansana. From the self sense of why do you do that? What you know, Mestre, and if the likes of something like the moon, say, this come based on your moon, your mocking kind there. And since when? And after the old betrayal, what you said will be chair, maybe a criminal.
Santi, sir, yes, I say, no, or Yajuma multimedia. He is part of the people who ensure say NDC is in power today. Omumu na mu campaign my NDC. Eye campaign my NDC pa for NDC to come to power today. Even they themselves today, Omar regret to say they campaign for NDC. Aden, he's saying today, even when John Mahama is not getting it right, even when NDC people are doing things that are wrong, that are against the law, you cannot feel free and speak. You cannot feel free and speak because you are scared for your life. Obi ko try there on a WhatsApp status. Yenti ni ye Obi try there na lerigu kambaga. Wa try there on a WhatsApp status say, oh, MCE we there wa bon papa. Enye na lerigu anka. One ebe appointed MCE we. Ewo no ani WhatsApp status. Because of that, police are inviting to say, Ombra no be yano. And ne under John Mahama no. And with the freedom of speech that we've enjoyed for several years, even under military dictatorship, people still feel free and spoke their minds, no. And ne under John Mahama, one kasa with WhatsApp status crano, police is inviting you to come and answer to whatever you have written there. So you see, the very journalists who have supported them today, they are crying. Samson Ladi, Saturday I came. Well, so say, then cry nekoso. And then cry nekoso say, nipan to me cannot dream you. Uko kawa dream biano, yesi CID frel. Uko kawa dream, yesi NIB 4 BNI 4 frel. Uko kawa dream, yesi OSP frel. Uko kawa dream, yesi National Security frel. Uko kawa dream, yesi IP address, address. And we are gradually turning Ghana into Togo. Yeah. That is what we're doing. We're turning Ghana into Togo. Because Togo for any some of those countries, no, that you cannot speak your mind. You are on a radio station speaking your mind. By the time you realize that, now soldier for abetamu. Yeah, that is repression. That is repression. Being repressive. Governing or mind with an iron fist. Fighting against freedom of speech and of expression. Ensuring, citizens are pushed into a corner where they can no longer air their views. And here, Bank of Ghana Boka over 44 billion. Some people are scared to talk. Are scared to talk. And Bank said it's possible, inshallah. People are scared to talk. But no matter however they want to fight against us and all those things, one thing I can assure you, Nini, we will not quit talking. We will not quit exposing this senseless government. Sorry for using the word senseless, but I mean, tell me, make it make sense to me, what about Baemo? Nurses for our form, until Mukai. Teacher for our form, until Mukai. Almost all your obligations, you are not paying them. You are not paying contractors. You are not servicing your debts. Nothing. And then, with all these things that you are not doing now, at the end of the year, one boka 44 billion. Make it make sense to me. Make it make sense to me, say, railway workers, won't you mukai? Won't you mukai? Almost all the sectors, NHIS, health insurance, won't you kai? Now boka 44 billion. Scano the other. Sa 44 billion car ma bono mu di yeden. Nwa mu na mu diskano ehwe omo. Nwa mo. Na iko car na asofofo bi o feel say because omo nuanom na wo power anti. Ye mu bi de ye moa yentimi kasa. Ebe kasa. Let's listen briefly to some of the explanation from Honorable Kojo Nkrumah. And you see, I want to use this opportunity to applaud the MPP. We are doing so well in opposition. We are doing so well. We are giving NDC a run for their money. I like the way in Sembia Ebabiano, we are attacking the issues. Uko TikToker. Oh, hello, greetings from Ghana also. Uko TikTok, Oba TikToker, NPP for their life. We are explaining things. Uko Facebooker, we are explaining. Uko X, we are explaining. Parliamentarians, they are explaining all over. We will not sit down because destinies are at stake. The future of this nation is at stake. And while you also for, if you cannot contribute to the conversation, you better shut up. Yeah. Because as a Prophet Kofi Addo Bekayen, it would have been better if he had shut up. And we will not shy away from saying it. It's not as if we are being disrespectful. But we must speak truth to authority in humility. Yeah. And that is why we will not insult him as he has insulted us. Say kika konsiakasa. Nyami nipa no. Bible say, if you want to be a leader, if you want to be a preacher, you must have control over your mouth. Yeah. If you want to be a leader, you must have control over your mouth. One sure sign that unye leader, unye nyaminipa, is that you don't have control over your mouth. And it is a real osofo. Now within 1 minute, utimika kwasia over 10 times just within 1 minute. How do you convince me you are a man of God? You don't have control over your mouth. Yeah. And that is what many of our men of God, you don't have control over your mouth. And then you say right, tomorrow you say left. And then you say Akufo Addo should be crucified for not signing LGBTQ. Tomorrow you tell us we should not politicize it. That is hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. Mayenka. Ewushamfo, send your request. Let me pick you. Let's have a conversation. Let's have a conversation. It's always a pleasure listening to your views on such issues. Confobia sending requests. Let me see. Right. So you can send your request. I'll pick you. Let's talk.
And after the old betrayal, I said you'll be cheering out, maybe a criminal, and no a taboo. Now the crack no. Said the energy minister and Swakano. Say your 2 and a money be in we pay you a work in progress. Mama in I answer, Mestre of Penino, and also the commentaries in Bohonma, Prophet Addo, yeah, Mestre, Kofi Addo, Mestre, and say sometimes meaning untimika say exuberance, but sometimes on your measured. Oh, there be the community to teach you for. Can you so what I say? And said the OC didn't come on in Honma. And Anna Emania home tina session kakra. So what was your for? I mean, who answer a few moments later into a Mokofa video be. I don't know Kasa in 2024. Well, Anna Obi or criticize it whether a few moments later or not. Mr. Upu, they form a bunch of revered people in society. Today be done. Even if you are criticizing them, you are measured, but you can always plead with them.
Sure.
Say a show musudi and komo. Tinano dano. Asem krona I see no. Say na kwabna santi kai.
Yes.
E ya de na ene de. Kwabna santi pese osisa asem no. E kwa asem. It's when I hear some of these CSOs, revered ones, they put up a defense for a loss.
Yes.
Now I can't hear the any the any.
And wait, your mom say
now to me the idea 53 about 23. And no process na fair muno. And no the ne e can ehunya. But you want to justify at this point to say e can me ma bone there. It say me sumbe to at this point they call 3.2 or whatever and plus other matters and they okay. Bank of Ghana should be worried because Obi, me ko him there no. For the first time in Krata emeto abontino. Dom kesiye timi kunya eye ho press conference. Is it authentic?
That's problematic.
Is it authentic? Is it an NDC Bank of Ghana or an MPP Bank of Ghana? And the man here extremely dangerous. They say the current governor interview or grantee joy on this basis of losses during the MPP time.
Yeah.
We now have to sit down as a country and look at Sana Montua Yetututua and Shada Mwaye Emma Sana Manintimini. Yes, what we know, we will put it across. But you say, it be see and say,
no, we're brutal. We're brutal.
Let's send your okay. Who this user is saying?
Hey, please, I don't understand tree.
Oh, okay. How are you?
I'm good. Senior, please, my old account was blocked. It's me, Junior.
Oh, okay. So, yeah. So, you want to contribute to whatever we're talking about today?
Yeah, I just came to greet you. It has been a while. I've just been trying to talk to you for some long time ago, but I think anytime that you are live and I came, if I just put a request, like you won't add me.
Oh,
So
now I know that it's you there. So send me hi in my DM. We'll talk. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for coming through, my brother. All right, Ejekum. Good evening. Gaboko.
Good evening, the voice. Yami adum kakra. Just say, dumso ya almost almost of but still na dumso ya na course say ya. Is ya me no kase kumasi part of it, you know. You doom light. Me ho you doom light. You know, and this is for the tron kwa. I mean, asema wo kan na you know correct. Asema wo kan na you know correct na. Sometimes I am a dream it's good to send people a co-opposition. It's good though. Because when him see an co-opposition and can you nipa or more pay asem. No or more sana underground no. The omo omo say omo support to MPP. And so na underground omo kotia party na party ne yempeni for no mu Fiasofo for here asema wo kani na you know correct. Akufo Addo 8 years. Nkofo ana surround MPP ni na no na psycho fans for kwa. What I say, can you imagine a whole pastor na Akufo Addo time utumi at the camera esi wanim galamsey na even kwa utumi at the camera esi wanim galamsey omo kan the president atema kan sembebre president also Akufo Addo like he didn't respond to those issues.
Yeah,
he didn't. So I want for see Akufo Addo do say so reality is on the ground. Mahama obi NDC go kasa kakra ne yabechew o kasa kakra ne yabechew. So yeah they are so so yeah Tesi ano ye pe obi a omo a ombegu on my way a ya so for journalist. TV3 ene Johnny Hughes Johnny Bites ewa like there are some questions we should ask ourselves.
Yeah.
Akwa morning show for 8 years or like asem enim kwa na oka
Yeah.
to confuse Ghanaians. Okay, cancel the dear term of obishi no.
Debbie.
Sisi chama hunt me almost somebody na kwagina yi no. Baby a some mining site. Enya na isi ano ho ase basa na omo 2 grams ho ase basa no.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
It's media, journalists, as of for no money na MPP should watch out. Our next government, we should watch out. Ye pen for force them too much. Ye buy more ye pen for force them too much. MPs at the parliament I could double salary. I see a do omuko jina mrenim na ye sika na yakata so na omapo baby atina. So it's this is the reason why I make I say I see a student lesson every opposition you want to be more united.
Yeah.
Now going forward, the boys see to me now we should target our strongholds. Because MPP we can use even 5 regions to win election. Our Ghana always even 5 regions. Ashanti region, Eastern region, Western region, and even Central region. So, but development in the no money no. You to find a stronghold.
Yeah.
So, into no me I think say Dr. Baumia will organize this party well. Na Kambom. Na I think say and say sa for no ma page omo ho na sisi ano omo ye na say ye mo close marking papa and say mo close marking e bisa questions Johnny Hughes no owo henfa
Yo me that say Ejekum, thanks so much for that brilliant one. I'll come back to you. Uncle Kwesi, good evening.
Good evening. Many I say.
Yes, I don't know as well.